Hello everybody, today I bought this e-bike X20B. I'm going to unbox and install it for you. So let's get started. So first step, we loosen the cable tie. When you open the box, you will find the bike and a small box which contains all the necessary tools. The first are the balls and nuts. The second is hex wrench, the user manual, paddles, wickets required for the headlights, easy release skewer, headlights, power cable, and transformer. So we'll loosen the cable ties carefully, and we will remove the wheel from the frame and put it on the side. Okay, we will assemble the handlebar. First you unscrew these to loosen, and then move this in the right direction. Make sure that it is in the desired direction. Next, we will unscrew these extra handlebar. So before tightening these 4 screws, you need to adjust this handlebar according to your desired location. When it is on the desired position, you can tighten the screws. So now let's assemble the front wheel. Insert it from this side. Remove these 2-part, screw this. So after adding the easy release skewer, we will add the tire to the front wheel. Make sure that the brake disc is aligned with the brake, fully prepared. So there are 2 paddles which written L and right L for the left side, right R for the right side. The left side paddle goes anti-clockwise, and the right side goes clockwise. So let's fix it. Then fix it with the hex wrench. The left paddle goes anti-clockwise, and then you fix it with the hex wrench. Let's add the mudguard to the electric bike. So let's align these according to the bike. First we add these, but not very tight. Second, we fix these. The mudguard is fixed. Okay, let's aid the headlight breakers now. So first we put this sticky thing to protect this from this when it touched this way. Now you put this in the second spot. They do this way. Yeah, the sticker again to the second one for the protection purpose. And now for the final step, the headlight. So let's add it. First you aid these for the protection purpose. Fix the headlight in this perfect direction. The cables, you need to be very careful. It has key pins. So the other cable part should be aligned like this. Battery, very important element in electric bike. Let me teach you how to remove an airbag. Insert the key, turn on the left side, push the battery. And when you put it back, you need to adjust these elements accordingly. Just push back. The last very important thing. You don't leave the key because it can be dangerous. You always need to remove the key.